Hi, this is Naveen. Welcome back to my channel Spicy Flavors. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you potato lamb curry. This is one of my favorite recipes which I cook all the time. It's my day off today, so I just thought I'm making something yummy. So here I have it, potato lamb curry. I made this with bone-in lamb with a bunch of vegetables and spices. You really should watch how I get all the spices and the vegetables together to get that delicious flavor. You'll love it. If you love the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Let's get cooking.